Hello everybody. Today we will be demonstrating the Reso Broker, the video instruction for you to be able to set up your website. And first thing, we will be starting up with the pages, how you create your pages, and then we will show you how you can change your information under the tab is About Us. Right now that you are looking at the basic information that the demo page for Reso Broker, so you will be able to change your titles, your pages, and your modules. So we started with the About Us. So click on the About Us section, and then you will be able to change the title. You can change that with something else, about me, about us, or about our team. So however you would like to change it. And as you can see, under the information, quality, and practical solution, this is something related with Reso Broker. So you will be able to change the information regarding your services for real estate agents if you're serving in residentials, commercial, business brokerages, or anything that you would like to talk about yourself. And here it is that you can see on the drop down menu and the first button that you can change your characters, your codes. This is for your header, and also you can upload your pictures, you can upload your videos, anything that you would like to add it in there. I think the video will be very practical, and all you have to do is just copy and paste your URL, and you can take it from YouTube, Vimeo, Vine, Instagram, Dailymotion, or Yoku. So you'll be able to insert the videos in your About Us section, just like we're doing right now. Also, you can change your background image on the right side of the page, and you can also change as you see that once you click in there, and you'll be able to access your computer and upload the pictures that you want to. And after that, you just have to save it, and it'll be updated in there. Let's do one. Yep, just have to click update, and when you go back, refresh the page, so you will be able to see how's that looking. As you see that we have uploaded the video in the button, and we changed the background image for the About Our Team section. Now we can go back to our admin panel. If you want to add a new content, you can add a new content on your page section. Again, you just have to enter the new title, and let's write about Orlando, and enter the information, which I will recommend maybe uploading another video in here about Orlando, some sort of introduction to Orlando, some sort of information that you would like to upload in your section here. Also pictures, you can take one of the picture, any logos, you can change the size of them and design it the way you like to. You can take it to the right side, left side, and the middle. Also, I want to talk about for each pages that we do have SEO settings, and let's take a look at what you can do with the SEO settings. So as you know, that our product is SEO friendly, so you can write your titles like Orlando is most powerful city in Florida, or anything that you would like to. As you understand, the content of SEO is that your content needs to be matching with what people might be searching for in order to be able to find your website. And again, you will do the same thing in the description. You can write anything you would like to. If your page is related, residential real estate, you can maybe write residential homes in Orlando, anything that your local areas that you work in, just to be able to be attracting more people to find your website. So this is the About Us section that we have talked about today, and we will be uploading more videos about the instruction and how you can change your modules, and that was that was the page. That was the pages section. So if you have any questions, let us know. Hi everyone. We are on the second episode of our demo instruction videos right now. In this section, we will be explaining how to change your modules on your main page. So right now you're looking at the main page from top to bottom. We can scroll it down: feature properties, services, popular places, testimonials, agents. Those are all our the contents in our main page. Also the 4 questions about financing, and we will be showing you and demonstrate how you can change all these informations the way is matching for your website. Let's go back to our admin panel and let's start our module section. Right now you're in the module section. As you see, all the titles that you have shown on our main page, it comes up under modules, under LIs. So let's start with property search form, and so you will be able to see how is that looking. You can edit content on the property search form. You know that this is the way that we have titled. Maybe if you like to change the search for homes or anything else, you know, MLS search, anything that you can think of is gonna be looking better for you. All you have to do, just click the update, and now it's changed. And then to be able to see if it's been changed, you have to go back to the main page and refresh the page. And let me show it to you. So once you refresh the page, and you just have to enter the zip code, pick the property type, search, and you will be able to continue searching for properties. So let's go back to our admin panel, and we will be able to show you how to change the other titles. If you click the call to action is something about the financing. So you don't see the URL over there right now, but you can enter your lenders or your financing partner pre-qualification page, or their main website, wherever that you want to direct your customers once they click on it. And the button text, you can change it. We have get pre-qualified now. You can write pre-approval, financing questions, or anything you want to type it. Again, your content section is the same thing for questions about financing or anything that you wanted to change it. And all you have to do after make any changes, hit the update, and as you see on the main page, refresh the page, and once you go down for questions about financing for demo Google, and if you want to add a link over there, we added the Google link right now. It's going to take you to Google link. So let's go back to our admin panel again. Let me show you how you can change the other sections on the modules. Agent side. We do have an agent side on our demo page. So this is pretty good for brokers especially, or if you are a team that you work in with group of other agents. You can have the titles for the agents, you know, your agent name, and the content, you know, if they are broker, if they are, you know, realtor, manager, or anything, you can change the content for their titles. And if you want to add the picture, you can add this agent's picture. As you can see, you have to click on it and hit the update. We will change the agent's picture and the name on the main website. Let's go down there, and you will be able to see that John Doe, the picture has not been updated, but let's go back to admin panel and let's take a look at it again. On the agents, go John Doe, and you can change the avatar and add any picture that you would like to. Let me add my picture, updated, and let's go back to main page, refresh it, So this is where it's supposed to be changed in the picture. Right now it's not going to change it. And let me show you how you can change the testimonials. If you wanted to add the testimonials for your customers, you can go ahead and write the customer name and their testimonial, and if you have the picture for the customer, which I will strongly recommend for each agent to maybe take a picture at the close-in or at the final walkthrough with your customers, and you can upload those beautiful happy moment pictures over there and upload it and refresh it in the main page. You will be able to see my content that I have just entered. Testimonial, great service, customer name. That's about it. So let's go back and change more stuff. The popular places. This is another content on our website. If you wanted to change this, I know it might not be much relevant with the real estate agents, but maybe you might want to add popular places in your local market. Right now we are in Florida, in Orlando, and real estate agents may be working in local area like Winter Garden, as you see as an example. If you're working in Orlando, you may add Windermere, Lake Mary, Lake Nona, or anything like in your local area, because the real estate agents usually working in multiple towns in their local market. So you might want to add any of these information, or if you don't need any of those, you can also delete that section. So I'm going to show you how to delete each places and also entire title. You can hit the removes. Now we drop it to 1 and hit the update. And your popular places will be changed. We'll go to design editor. If you don't want the popular places, you can remove it, save the layout, and go back to main page, refresh the page. So you will see the popular places should be gone now. Yep, it's gone. So that's very easy. Let's go back to admin panel and the module section again. Now the services, you will pretty much doing exactly the same thing as the other one. All you have to do is just change the title and the content and the code that you can pick. Icon code will be some sort of link to a different website or some content that you might want to upload, and you can take it from Google, just like that. And you can paste it and update it. And let's go back to main page and see how's that looking. As you see those icons, so it's going to be updated as a building. It's very easy and very functional. We are go back to modules now and the slider. Slider is another important part. If you go to slider, and you will be able to change your titles. You can add your contents, also your background images, your button text, and the URL where you want the people to be directed. Title: we service in Orlando, and the content: contact us now. Button text: contact us, and the URL that you can direct people whatever the website you would like to. And also you can position where do you want that to be staying on the center, and change the background image, update it, and you will see how's your slider looking now. This is your slider, and we have changed one of them, and now we refresh it. Contact us now, contact us, it stays in the middle, and we have a link over there. Once you click it, it'll be directed people to the different page. Also the slider, if you hit the arrows on the right and left side, you can change in each slider with different link, different pictures, and different titles, exactly the same way we have explained before. And the feature properties on the modules is the last one. If you wanted to add different properties, location, which is very important. Right now we look in something in Orlando. If you want to have an easy link for condos, lands, rentals, and active listings, pendings, close, expires, depend on what your customer is possibly looking for. You can create easy links for these property listing settings, and your customers can reach out to you directly from there, and your customers can find what they're looking for. Location, maybe specific locations that you might want to set it up. Hit the update. Now you go back to the main page and refresh it under feature properties, and as you can see, the property listings. And you can move it on the right and left side. Click on the property. You will be able to see all the details. This is downloaded directly from MLS. Schools, associations, map view, features. And if there's anything that you want us to be changing on your MLS data, that we will be able to change it for you. Maybe something that you might like to be using that other agents not. We may be able to add what is the your local MLS is providing. And that was it with the modules. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. As you see, it's very easy to set up. For a professional real estate agent, it may not take more than 1 hour or maybe 2 to be able to complete entire website. We will be uploading the next instructions video. Is going to be related design editor, and we will see you in the next video. Hello everybody, now we are starting the third video that we will be talking about design editor in this video to show you how you can change the modules places on your website. It's very easy. This is going to be a quick video. Basically, that this is your homepage modules, slider, MLS search, feature properties, services. So you will be able to change the places where it's going to be located, and we will be showing you how to do that. You have to click on that each section, and then you can hold on it and then move it to on top of or like a bottom of the other section. As you see, we taken the call to action, and we move it underneath the MLS search. And let's save one of these layout, and then we will show you how is that looking. And let's go back to our website, demo page, refresh the page. Guys, don't forget to refresh the page after each time that you make any changes in your admin panel in order to reflect on your website. As you see, that was our call to action, which was for our financing company, and we move it all the way from bottom, and we take it from there. Yep, there's nothing underneath anymore, and we move it on top of the services and underneath the MLS search. And you can do the same thing if you want to get rid of something. If you feel like you don't need any of these modules that we have created, you can remove them and save the layout so it'll be completely gone on your website, and refresh it. Now I no longer have the call to action for my financing company. And if you go back to admin panel, if you remove something by mistake, or if you feel like you might need it again, you can always add those modules back again. As you see, it came back. And again, you have to move it to anywhere you want, save the layout, so it'll be updated on your website. So this is pretty much about it, about the design editor. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to call us. Let's go back to admin panel, and the design editor is just going to help you how to remove or change the places for the modules on your website. And thank you very much, and we will meet you in the next video. Hey guys, this is another video now that we will be showing you about the menus on our Reso Broker demo page. This is our admin panel again. You go to menu management, the three items that we will be talking about today, three topics, and how you can edit your header and footer menu, and how you can change the contents on the menu. Also, how you can also slide the items on the menu, like you can change the places, or that you can take a subtitle under one title, and we will show you all of that. Okay, now that we click on the header menu, so if you want to add anything on the header menu, and you just have to click it, like privacy policy or terms and conditions, and you just have to add to the menu, and now we come to your header menu. And if you go to your main page, as you remember, for everything that you do, after that you have to save menu, and once you save it, it'll be updated successfully. Go back to the main page and refresh it. You will be able to see on the header menu that your privacy policy should be coming up there. There we go. So now the second thing, we will show you how you can add anything like on the subtitle to that menu. If I don't want to have my privacy policy is shown on the header menu, but if I want it to be shown underneath like another item, like under About Us, you click on the privacy policy link, and then you hold on that. You have to be slightly move it to the right side underneath the other tab, and it'll be saved underneath, and hit the save menu, and we will show you how is that looking on the main page. Again, I need to refresh it, and privacy policy should be coming up under the About Us, just like that. If you do not want to have so many items looking on your header menu that you want to be listing them underneath each other like that, so you will be able to organize the way it works for you. Also, do you want to change any title, like on your header menu, that you can you can click on the arrow button and pull that down, change the navigation label, and then save the menu. Now it'll be changed on my main website. Yep, now it's become privacy. Let's go back to admin panel, and if I want to remove something, so I can remove it. You will also be able to do the same thing on the footer menu, just like the same thing that we did on the header menu. And also the modules and custom link. Do you want to create a custom link that you don't see what we have over there? And you can hit that plus button, pull it underneath, and write your navigation label, custom link. Add a URL if you want to add a URL. Let's put the google.com, add to the menu, and then I can save it to the menu. As you see, it came up over there, and when I save it, it'll be pop up on my header menu. Let's refresh the page. Here's a custom link. You can click on that. It'll be taking me to Google. It's very easy, very effective. Let's go back to admin panel. And do I want to remove it? Yes, remove it. And it'll be gone. Save menu, so it'll be completely gone. And go back to menu. Same thing apply for footer menu. Let's edit on it, and let me show you on the main page where the footer menu looks like. By the way, if you scroll all the way button, this is the footer menu. If you want to change anything and take it to the footer menu, you will be able to do exactly the same thing what we did on the header menu. About Us, privacy policy, add menu. If you want to add a custom link, you will be able to do all that same way, just like we have explained it. Let's write down home on the navigation label, and then add a URL, add to menu, and save it. And also I can change it. Where is it located? I put it on the first line and save that. We'll refresh it and we'll show you how's that looking. As you know, the majority of the real estate agents do not need to have terms and conditions and privacy policies. If you do want to delete any of those, you can get rid of them completely. We have to have them as a Reso broker, so that's why we keep it. And so do you want to remove them? You will be able to remove them. We will also remove that home that we have just created. Save the menu. Now it'll be gone. The menu sections was pretty much about it, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us, and we'll see you in the next video. Hello guys, now we're going to talk about Reso Broker, the lead management system. As you know, in our package that we are giving you for your web design, and this is also including a CRM. We do have a professional CRM has been designed, and it's easy access in your demo page, that where you are being able to design your website, you also have access to your lead management. And once you click on all leads section under the leads management, you will be able to see your leads. We do have one example right now. If you go to category, you will be able to see if they are buyer and seller, or if they have a property that they're looking to sell. You will be able to see it there. And if it's a new lead, if you spoke to your lead and if they are qualified or what's their status, you can update their status if it's a hot lead or qualify or just watching. So once you click on the lead, let me show you how is that looking. As you see that you literally have almost everything that what you can expect from a CRM in the CRM. So you see their phone numbers, and you can take your notes if you talk to them, you know, what was the conversation. There's an email address for the lead, and you can add your notes after your conversations. You know, you can write a test note. You know, by the way, that we still in the process of improving the CRM system. You will be able to identify your notes if it was a phone conversation or if it was just a general notes. We will have that coming up in there. Also, we will have a section that you will be able to add new leads, that the separate leads, if it's not related with this website, you can add them in there as well. So it'll be coming up very soon. As you see on the details, so when did they last time logged in, and how many requests that they inquire, how many properties they review, the average pricing that they were searching for properties. Also, that you can check out the property views, which properties this lead was looking for, so you can have an idea about them. And request information, it'll be showing which properties that they were inquiring information for. They were asking about this condo. There will be pictures will be uploaded very soon. There's a little error right now. We are working on that, but you will have a perfect CRM that you can expect from anyone. Let me show you one example how is the lead is dropping in your inbox. So right now on our we are on the website and we are looking for this property. Anybody coming in there? And by the way, guys, the one of the most important feature that we have for this project, this website is a lead capture. If the person is not signed up on this website, and they will not be able to view any of the property details until they enter their phone number, email, and their names in order to be able to view the properties. And as soon as they enter all the information, that lead will be captured and come to your inbox as all leads. And lead activity will be showing you the people who's asking specific questions regarding specific properties. You know, looks like that lead was logged in and searching for property and asking agent to be able to send more information or maybe contact them. And we will be doing one example for you. I'm looking at that property right now. Everything is out there. There's pictures, and if the customer is asking specific question, give me more information, or they might ask what is the HOA fee, or they might ask is there any restriction for this, you know, any deed restrictions in the property, HOA, any repairs. They might ask anything, and they might maybe just want to meet up with you to look at the property. So once they send the message to you, We will go back to our lead management, into our admin panel, all leads. Let's see what the John Doe sent it to us. This is the last house that he looked up. It come up over there right away and request informations. He say, please give me more info. This is my phone number. Perfect. As you may be expecting and asking a question, am I going to have notifications? Definitely. As soon as people sign up on your website, as soon as they send any requests, and there will be email and text message notifications will be coming to your phone and your email inbox. Also, we will have a calendar, and the reminder will be uploaded just in a few days, and you will be able to take a note and then give yourself a reminder to call back anybody who signed up on your website, and to be able to efficiently follow up your leads. This is it, guys, and this is our CRM. It's going to be looking very good and very effective and help you generate and close more transactions. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to call us or email us. We will be looking forward to meeting you on the next video. Properties or something like that, or anything else. Site description is the same thing, that you can change it anytime. I wouldn't really recommend any realtors to change anything on Google Tag Manager or Google Analytics unless that you know what you are doing, like Webmaster Tool verification and API keys. Those are most likely for your web designers, or if you're working with someone, you know, on your behalf. And the design settings are also very easy. Site logo, you will be able to upload your logo, that whatever you would like to add it up there. This is our logo that we have choose, and a site fave icon is the icon that is going to be shown on your website, is going to be standing right there, that where we show with the arrow. And you can also change the colors in your website, like you want to change it to different color, yellow. Let's save the settings and we can show you how is that looking on our main page. You have to refresh it and you will be able to see your site colors. Right now it was blue and now it turned into yellow. All the links and all the highlighted areas are gonna be look like the different color that you choose. Let's go back to admin panel and let's take it back to different color. You can save it and you'll be able to save it there, just to show you one more time. Yep, now it's red. Perfect. And let's go back to admin panel and let me show you the user side. If you go to users, so this is the users that who you want to give the access to people. If you want to change your passwords, if you want to change anything, all you have to do, go to edit, you can change your password, and you can change your email address or the login and the name for the user. And also, that one more thing, like if you're working with a web developer, or if you're working with an SEO or Google AdWords professional for your social media, that you want to give them access to be able to do some settings for you, you can create a user for them as a web developer, have their email address or the access information and the password. You can add the user for them and give their access information to log into your design site page, and after that, whenever you have done with them, you will be able to delete that, and this person will not have access to your demo page. So this is pretty much about it, guys. With this video, we have completed our entire explanation about how to design your website with Reso Broker. As you see, it was very easy, that anybody who doesn't understand about web designing, it's going to be like very easy to demonstrate and change anything that you want to do. This is not going to take not even a few hours of total work for you to be able to create an amazing website for yourself and start generating leads and attract your buyers and sellers to come to your website. Thank you for watching us and working with the Reso Broker. We'll meet you on the next video, and you guys have a great day.